Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the market for gold, also known as XAUUSD, from 24th till 25th August. So let's begin. Here we will also talk about the technical strategies which could be implemented in order to trade gold and technical patterns. So here I have highlighted this range, which is from some around 1954 and some around 1925. This could be the resistance. This is the resistance, which is, let me make that resistance an end zone, and this is the support, which is from some around 1928 till 1924. Now what here we can see is that market has been in a choppy mood and we aren't seeing any clear directions. From some around here we have seen the market making an higher high, again some around here from 1930 we have seen the market retested this resistance. Then we have seen in bearish momentum entering in the market. Then we have seen a higher high move from 1931 till some around 2013, and then again we can see that the market fall from some around 2008 towards the support of some around 1925. Then here this is the area which we can analyze, is that the market has been in a choppy mood from some around here. This is the whole area. Let me zoom in. This is the area, and here we can see that the market isn't given any clear directions. Testing the support, testing the resistance, testing the support, testing the resistance, and again testing the support. A fake breakout here, however the breakout, the market didn't close below the support and we have seen in recovery. Now what we can see is that the market is potentially retesting this resistance zone, and this would be our opportunity to go short for the gold. If we see any candlestick pattern, let me analyze that. First we shall go on a more lower time frame on a 2-hourly chart. Here on a 2-hourly chart, here we have drawn a descending channel being formed by the market on the weekly forecast for the gold. This would be the resistance. Let me make that an end zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. This would be the resistance and this would be support of the ascending channel. If you are new to the video, do consider subscribing it, as I upload the weekly and daily forecast, especially and exclusively on gold, and we also give forecast on other currencies. Now here what we can see is that we have seen a parabolic move since the market retested this support zone. Now we have seen a parabolic move and the market is heading towards its higher high from some around 1951. Now what we can potentially see here is that we could wait for some around 2 to 4 hours and see whether the market is making a higher high move or breaking this resistance. If this is the case, we would be waiting for the market to retest towards this resistance. That would turn this resistance into an support, and that would be a great opportunity to go long for the gold, with our stop losses would be just placed below the support trend line, with our take profit would be placed some around here. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1:1.25. Moreover, if we do not see a breakout upwards, rather we see that the market retested this area, which is in the area of 1954 55 till some around 1950, and we see a candle close on a 2-hourly or on 4-hourly chart below this resistance zone. This would indicate that the market is facing an resistance in this area, and we can potentially see that the market can make a lower move retesting towards this support. Thus, we would be triggering a sale position if we see that the market bounce back and we see a close of 4 hourly, which would be a great, or of a 2 hourly candle, which would below this resistance zone and below this resistance zone too, which would be a great opportunity to go short with a take profit of this support zone, which is some around 1927 with a stop loss placed some around 1960. Yes, some around 1960. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below, and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.